Let's come back to energy transition for a minute. I mean, it's such a critical area for everyone in this room. Do you feel at Honeywell that you have set ambitious targets in the way that you work yourself?
Oh, absolutely. We ourselves have very clear targets for net zero 2035, and we will continue to drive that in many different ways. We also are very clear that we enable everybody else to reduce their emissions, and very soon in the next 4 weeks, we're going to share some of our thinking in terms of how we impact a lot of the emissions on the planet. As a rough order of magnitude, a lot of the carbon that's captured on the planet, a very large proportion of it is done with Honeywell technology. So we know we are very critical to support the planet in driving all of those initiatives.
And in terms of supply